Good morning. Day 2, first sea day. This ship shakes a lot.
Be rocking.
We had some rough seas last night, and it feels like we hit 10 whales. You'll be sleeping, all of a sudden it's
and the walls shake.
And the walls shake. So,
it sounds like they're gonna fall down.
Yeah, but that's been a complaint of the ship, is that everybody says the ship rocks. But anyways, we're up and at 'em. We're fixing to go get breakfast from Garden Cafe, and who knows what the day's gonna bring. Probably some water slides and some kind of sexy leg competition. No, I'm not gonna do it. But
did you shave?
Tell them what we're gonna do. She's crazy. Don't listen to her. Anyways, we're going to get breakfast. See ya.
Bye.
It's a pretty cool feature of the ship. It's called Observation Deck, or Lounge. It looks like it's about the entire area of the Garden Cafe, but it's on deck 15. So. It's a good place to come and see where we're going. Here's the arcade. They got a bowling, and they got a basketball, Halo, and all that good stuff. Just a bunch of games to take your money. And they got a pool table, $2.28.
And a kitty coin pusher.
Kitty coin pusher. That's Amanda's game. We're about to watch some food, man. Look what they're doing. This is the Food Republic, and I want to say they're going to teach us how to make sushi. Yeah.
It'll be cool to see, though.
Yeah, maybe they'll let us try one for free, because we may not like sushi.
I don't like it. I'm not trying it.
That's what we're about to do. Okay, I got a spicy tuna roll. Cheers. Okay, it's not bad. If you can get past it, it's raw tuna. And it is spicy. I don't know if I'd ever pay for it, but it's not bad. But you gotta like raw tuna. Here we are, we're rolling in the middle of our sea day. It's about 11:30.
Very windy.
Yeah, it's windy. We're outside the Bahamas somewhere in the middle of the Bermuda Triangle. I don't know where we are exactly. I don't know, longitude, latitude, whatever, I don't know. But a lot of people said the pool deck is too crowded. Well, it's 11:30 and we got seats like right by the pool in the sun. I mean, it's perfect, really. Look how close we are to the pool. I mean, we're literally like right there.
Two is enough. Keep the rest on. Out this side. Keep the rest on. You know what? Put back what you had on. You're too naked right now, buddy. Come on. Who do we have next?
They're not even going to win a ship on this
Christian
deck,
from
man.
New York. Get him now. This guy's gonna be Mr. Sexy Leg 2020 for doing the most. We're gonna give you your prize.
There you go. Deal or no deal. Just a money scam, man. Money scam. Alright, guys. It's going on about 6 o'clock. We decided to come into Q and have a pre-dinner drink. We decided to get a drink called the Peach Smoked Margarita, or Margarita Smoked Peach or something.
No. Smoked peach margarita.
Smoked peach margarita. This is what it looks like. Tastes pretty good. What's up?
we just had dinner. We came to the Manhattan dining room tonight. Last night we had Savor, tonight we had Manhattan. We're in and out of this place in like 45 minutes. We've been in here like 35 minutes right now, and we're already to dessert. Tonight is formal night.
If you want to.
Yeah, if you want to. We dressed up, but we didn't have to. But our food, everything comes out hot. Everything is fresh.
It's really good.
It's fast. They're efficient. Man, it's great. Definitely great. And I can't say anything we've had so far has been terrible. All the food is delicious. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna miss this dining room after we get off this ship. But we got 5 more days to see how if it lasts. So far, so good though. Okay, next thing in our night is we're gonna watch The Choir of Man. So this is a show that's pretty, I think it's only on Norwegian. It's like a show tune about beer. Here's what the stage looks like.
For your Friday, bake for your Friday, bake for when you
And I think they let you get free beer, but you have to go stand in line. So I don't know if we're gonna do that or not. Okay, how many shows can you go to and get free beer? Cheers. Got double drinks.
Hello, can you hear me?
Okay, that was Choir of Man. That was pretty amazing. Okay, we've seen a couple shows on Carnival that was great, but that was awesome. If you're ever on Norwegian and they have that show, watch it. You need to go see it.
It's not that serious.
Perfect couple. Looks like love and marriage on Carnival. We'll see. Couple number 2 won. Okay, that was just silly.
That was silly.
Silly. I don't know what's got into me and Amanda, or Amanda and I. We're fixing to go to the 80's rock and glow party. This is our 80's attire.
Check out these leggings.
So, I don't know if it may be canceled. The weather's not permitting too well, but we'll go. We're fixing to go. It's in 30 minutes. So, if I don't come back with footage.
Footage? What's that?
If
Are you going to get food?
Maybe. If I don't come back with video saying we went there, it didn't really happen. Not a lot of people here, but we're here.
Put your hands together for the evergreen John Bon Jovi! Everybody, come on! Clap your hands for John
Alright. We are going to close the vlog out tonight. Day 2, first C day. I don't know, we did a lot of stuff today. And to finish it out, we partied like rock stars.
80's party.
I was part of John Bovey entourage.
John who?
John Bon Jovi.
John Bovey.
Whatever, man. It's been a long day, okay? But anyways, hope you have fun today following us along. Me, of course, I got picked because I have a bright shirt on.
Whoop, whoop.
We got some Norwegian swag. And we're going to finish the night eating those cookies right there. So,
Yummy.
from us to you, have a good night. Enjoy life.
Bye.
Don't stress over the small things. Peace.